The question is, let x comma y greater than 0 if x raised to the power of 3 times y raised to the power of 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 15. Then we need to find the least value of 3x plus 2y. How can you find it? To find this question very quickly, we need to use gradient method, which is, so whatever the given information, we need to convert into two functions. Then we have to apply the vector partial derivatives. Then easily we can find the relation between x and y. Using the relation between x and y, we can go to find the least value of the 3x plus 2y. That is the easiest way. Let's see how to solve. Let us take 3x plus 2y as a f function. So the f of x comma y as a one function. This is 3x plus 2y. This is f function. Consider g function as a x raised to the power of 3, y raised to the power of 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 15. This we can write as minus 2 raised to the power of 15. So let us consider as a two functions. Now use the gradient method. The gradient of a function is a vector of partial derivatives. So we can simply denote this as delta f equal to derivative of f with respect to x, derivative of f with respect to y. So that is a partial derivative of f. That means if we want to find the delta f, we have to do derivative with respect to x, comma derivative with respect to y. Let's find out derivative of 3x plus 2y with respect to x. So we are going to get only 3, isn't it? So let's set only 3 here. Now we need to find derivative of 3x plus 2y with respect to y. So that means this is going to be 0 and we are going to get only 2. Same like that, let's go and find the partial derivative of g. Here also we have to do same thing. Derivative of g with respect to x. So let's first do derivative of with respect to x. That means this term is going to be 0 and here we are going to get 3 x raised to the power of 2 y power 2, isn't it? So when you do with respect to x, we are going to get 3 x raised to the power of 2 y power 2. Now we have to derivative of g with respect to y. So this term is going to be 0 and here x cube, we no need to do, just simply write this x cube, and y power 2 it becomes 2y. So here we are going to get 2x raised to the power of 3y. So finally we found the delta f, delta g. Now you have to use Lorentz multiplier equation. What is that? So that equation says delta f that is equal to lambda times delta g. This is a Lorentz multiplier equation. So here we need to compare the x and x coordinates, y and y coordinates. So in delta f, what is the x coordinate? 3. That is equal to lambda into, in g, what is the x coordinate? 3x raised to the power of 2, y raised to the power of 2. Here 3 gets cancelled, so lambda equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 2, y raised to the power of 2. So this we got. Now we need to compare the y coordinates. 2 equal to lambda into 2x raised to the power of 3 y. Here 2 gets cancelled, so lambda equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 3y. Now compare this lambda and this lambda. So one lambda value is 1 over x raised to the power of 2 y raised to the power of 2. That is equal to another lambda value is 1 over x raised to the power of 3y. Both sides multiplied by x raised to the power of 2. Then here x raised to the power of 2, x raised to the power of 2 gets cancelled. X raised to the power of 2 and here 1x gets cancelled. Now both are multiplied by the y. So y and here y and here y and here y gets cancelled, so we left only x. Here y and here y gets cancelled, so we left only 1 over y. So 1 over y equal to 1 over x. This we can write it as x equal to y. Finally, we got a relation between x and y, which is x equal to y. X equal to y. Now substitute on the given equation. This is a given equation, x raised to the power of 3, y raised to the power of 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 15. So here you have to substitute x equal to y. So then this becomes x raised to the power of 3, then x raised to the power of 2 is nothing but x raised to the power of 5. That is equal to 2 raised to the power of 15. If x raised to the power of 5 is 2 raised to the power of 15, then x equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. Isn't it? So the x value is 8. So that is the least value of this. So what they said, we need to find least value of 3x plus 2y. So here you need to substitute the x value. So what is the x value? 8. And y value also same. What is the y value? Which is 8, because x equal to y. So this is 24 plus 16, which gives 40. That is the least value of 3x plus 2y. Thanks for watching.